Good evening from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Yes, I am coming in a little bit later than normal. I usually try to do it around lunchtime, but I'm having internet issues, and tomorrow they're going to dig up the ground to fix the cables, and so if I don't do it now, I don't know when I'll get this video done. So today I am talking about Campaign 7, and it is our contouring and highlighting collections that are at the beginning. And what's really cool is make sure you notice inside this front cover on this model, it gives you it shows you how to do that, where to put the contouring colors, because the contouring sticks come with two colors, a lighter one and a darker one. So depending on where you are wanting to do it. And I'll also put on my business page the link to some contouring videos. I'll find them and put that on. So yes, that's in that one. And on the back cover of this catalog, I am so glad that they brought this one back. This is one of my favorite, the Best of Beauty A boxes. When you have a $40 purchase, you can get it for $10. And in there, it has the Day and Night Creams of the Ultimate, the Power Serum, the Blackest Black Glimmer Stick Eyeliner, and the Cherry Jubilee Lipstick. All for $10. It's normally $48 if you'd have bought it all. So, what a great deal. And Skin So Soft, they came out with a new one. Isn't this a beautiful bottle? It is shea butter. And in the catalog, we have all kinds of different things in that line. And that's in there. But they also have a body butter with shea butter. And with it being so darn dry this year, well, we're getting moisture. We're getting a lot of snow, but some of it doesn't have as much moisture as. So shea butter also helps moisturize you. So that's kind of cool, $5.99. And then again, the fragrances, the big size of this one, the Rare Gold, has the different top notes of what's in it on the top of the catalog. And this one has the Lang Lang, which is kind of a passion kind of a smell. The big size of the Faraway perfumes are $12.99. And Glamour Sticks, if you missed them in Campaign 6, you still have time. They are on sale for $2.99. We haven't had that kind of a sale on them, the eyes, lips, and brows, for a long time. They're usually like $4.99 when they're on sale, but it's our big sale time, and they're $2.99. And a product that we've had for many, many years is in the catalog again, and this is the Natura. We also have the, it's just a really great moisturizer. I have some of my older customers that use it all the time. But we also have the Banishee Cream, which is for the dark spots, and the Dramatic Firming Cream. So it's a smaller price point, so everybody can get their skincare. The Senses line, the liquid hand soaps are $3.49. The shower gels are like $2.99. So yeah. And one of my soapbox things, you know me, skincare. The cleansing brushes are on sale for $24.99, and you can get the replacement heads if you need them. And when you do it this time, you also get 2 travel size cleansers for free. So get going on cleaning your face. We have some great smells in the candles. This one's lemon and mint. I love lemon. And bergamot and sandalwood, but we have all kinds of them, and they are $11.99. Some of the other ones are peach, elderflower, grapefruit rhubarb, Earl Grey, and the pomegranate blood orange. And we had the diffusers and candles of that at Christmas time. Love those. And remember, we can always have stuff in our outlets and the sales flyers. But one of the things, if you didn't get when they were in the regular catalog, this little thing goes on the back of your cell phone. As you can see, I've definitely used mine. But it holds business cards, your credit card, your driver's license. So if you're one of those, just carry your phone. Guess what? You can do it all in one for $3.99. And remember, we can always back order 2 brochures. So, excuse me. So Campaign 6, our biggest sale catalog ever. And the skincare one, where you can get 2 skincare products in the new line, and get the power serum for free. Those campaigns 5 and 6 are still good. So let me know if you want anything from them. And also, oh, I forgot to bring that out. I was going to do that. Maybe I'll just quick switch on over. Excuse me one quick moment. What I'm going to get is 2 things that came in the mail. I'm just really proud of. With Avon, it's our 50th anniversary for having our President's Club tributes. And this year, they sent us cards with it. But we also each got our own card that says what our benefits are for the different levels of sales we do. And I'm in the McConnell Club, so it has that in there, and it has our number in it. But the other thing is Blab Like a Boss. And that is to remind everybody that Avon has so many different incentives and that for everybody. And one of the things is when you have a new person sign up under you that you personally recruited, you will get a scratch-off ticket. And all of our scratch-off tickets are a winner. And I haven't scratched mine off. And so I've been waiting, but I'm going to do it now since I have time today. And, oh my, I do not have one of these. And someone's going to, my kids or somebody's going to help me learn how to do this. It's an Echo Dot. Isn't that the one that says you wouldn't say, Alexis, do this or that? I have a customer that has one, and she always says, she's even told Alexis, sing her a song, and Alexis does it. So I don't know if that's what this is. Can you tell I don't know that kind of technology? I don't have any of that. But yeah, so Avon has so many different benefits and incentives going on for brand new representatives. We have a Kickstart program where your first 7 campaigns, you can earn 40% on everything of products if you make certain sales goals. And when you share the opportunity, you can earn extra bonuses as well. So if that's something that you want to do, or just try it out, no obligation. You can go in for one campaign. If you like it, fine. If not, fine too. But Avon has so many things to offer. And I am so blessed with my Avon business, and I would love to let it bless you as well. So thanks much. Faye Swinson, Avon Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter, talking about Campaign 7, some of the wonderful incentives with Avon, and my scratch off. Never scratch alone, so I'll have to put that in the comments too. Have a great one. Thank you much.